You're a scientist, why not? Hi, it's Princess Ling Ling. Yes, I do have on cat ears. It was sitting next to me, like right here, so I figured might as well put it on. Who cares, right? Today, I'm actually gonna show you how to make a face mask yourself with these compressed face masks. So I actually got these from Daiso a while ago. They're very cheap for 50 face masks. Honestly, I don't have to use them all that often because I have a lot of face masks. You'll see in a future video. Sometimes you just feel like making it, you know what I mean? Like, you're a scientist, why not? I wanna show you all the ingredients I'm going to be using for today's face mask. You can put the remix on it, use whatever the heck you like. Using this retinol that's at the end of its life, Japan Sakura serum that's also at the end of its life. I'm using this hyaluronic acid and this little collagen stuff that I got from Miss A while ago. I'm using this rose toner from Mario Badescu. I'm using a little bit of Pond's that says the Rejuvenesce kind. I don't know the difference. A little bit of my favorite CeraVe, this rose toner from Monde du Soap, and this moisturizing conditioning liquid from Hatomugi. And I'm mixing it all up in here before I put the mask in. So let's do it. So I guess I can show you me putting the items into the thing. That would make a lot of sense. First, I'm going to do the lotions. So here's the CeraVe. Boom. I'm not going to use a whole lot. Here's the Pond's. Okay. A little bit there. Yum. Putting in Hatomugi. I'm going to have to work hard for this one. Oh, I forgot there was a top. Okay. Little bit of this. A little bit of that. I feel like I'm making a soup or something. This has a little bit too much, so I'm only gonna use like half of it. Might as well use the rest of this. And a little bit of this. And so as you can see, it's a weird looking concoction. I'm just gonna mix it up the best I can anyways. This is as good as it's gonna get, you know. It still looks like goo. It's enough. So here's the individual little mask. As you can see, it's teeny tiny, teeny tiny. When I open it, I'm just gonna drop it in here and let it do its thing. Yeah, so there's that. Bloop. And so it's growing. Ah, look at how big it's getting. Well, it's not gonna get that big. It's a face mask. So it's absorbing what it can absorb. I guess I'll flip it around a little bit just so the other side can get some. There we go. Now it's really unfurling itself. Just gonna roll it around, get some of the little lotion particles on it. It's doing what it's supposed to do as it gets all the goo. I think it's time for me to put this on my face. You would treat this like a regular face mask by leaving it on for the 10-20 minutes or however much your normal face masks say to put it on there. I'm probably gonna do 20-30 minutes because I like to watch my little shows having masks on. So here's the mask. It looks like a normal mask. It's very drippy. I'm not gonna bring it back too much now. Ooh, it's cold. So as you can see, this is a little smaller than the typical face mask. Well, the ones that I get are usually huge, so I don't really have to like fold over anything. It's just all about getting it in the right places. Of course, it's got a lot of extra because it was just in a vat of liquid. And the good thing about making your own mask is you got some extra liquid to work with. Not so much I can literally put it all on my arms. Why not? I know what's in it. Also, if you do have extra, what helps is having containers around that used to have product in them, but you've washed it out. I'm gonna put the remainder of my liquid in this, and I'll make another face mask tomorrow just by dipping it in there and continuing on with my life. The goo has been transferred, but you can't see it. Yes, this is how I'm ending the video. And no, I'm not showing you the end result because it's just a face mask with stuff you have at home. Okay? So it turns out I was nice enough to show you the end result of the mask. It works. Don't you see the shine? Thanks for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. YouTube is probably telling you, hey man, there's a video right here. Or maybe it's over here. I don't know where it is, man. Please watch that video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Nope. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Subscribe.